Hi! In front of me is T-Mobile phone 6 and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this smartphone. First of all, you need to locate calendar app and access it. If you never used it before, click on this icon at the bottom right corner of it and click on Got It. Now tap on the month above and pick a date by clicking on the chosen one. I will go with this one. After that, you can tap over here twice to create your event, or select this plus icon at the bottom right corner and tap on event from the list. Either way, from here you can adjust it however you wish to. For example, add a title. Now click on events here, tap on the best option for you. I will stick with events though. And now pick starting hour or ending one. Save your changes by choosing OK. If you don't want to do that, you can always click on this sweater next to all day instead and disable this feature completely. Now click on Does Not Repeat. Over here you can select one of those options if you want your event to repeat. For example, click on Custom, type in wherever you wish to, and save your changes by clicking on Done at the top right corner. You can also just click on this option and tap on one of those, or disable it completely by selecting Does Not Repeat. Now scroll down, add people from your contact book, add videos, and even add location. Over here you need to click on while using the app or only this time, then type in an address and tap on the correct one. After that, scroll down and set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before your event. I will go with custom and set up 3 days before. Then click on Done. Now you can also change color, take notes, and add attachments. When you're ready, choose Save at the top right corner. As you can see, my event is here. If you wish to edit it, you need to click on it and tap on this pen icon at the top right corner. Then make your changes and discard them by choosing top left corner and clicking on Discard, or save them by clicking on Save at the top right one. Now, in order to delete your event, you need to click on it again, but this time select those 3 dots at the top right corner, choose Delete at the top, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!